Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello fellow students, let me introduce myself. My name is Novilia Mandini with NPM 2241217 from Accounting Study Program. In this video, I will discussing about social, cultural, moral, and ethical responsibilities of the company. In the modern business world, companies are no longer judged solely by the amount of profit they can generate. More than that, companies are also evaluated based on the extent of their contributions to society and the surrounding environment. This is what is referred to as corporate social responsibility, often abbreviated as CSR. Social responsibility reflects the company's concern for the impact caused by their business activities on the wider community. Companies with high level of social awareness will strive to create balance between economic, social, and environmental interests. They will consider how their production, distribution, or marketing activities can positively contribute to society while minimizing negative impacts. In addition to social responsibility, companies also have a role in perceiving and respecting the cultural values present in society. Cultural is not only related to custom or local habits, but also encompasses the noble value embraced by society at large. In this context, company must be able to adapt to the cultural environment in which they operate, respect diversity, and not impose value that contradict the prevailing social norms. Respect for cultural values is part of good business ethics. Ethics itself is a moral principle that serves as the foundation for an individual or an organization in their actions. In a corporate environment, ethics serve as a guideline in decision-making that is not only based on financial gain, but also on consideration of goodness and justice. A company that upholds ethics will always consider whether an action is moral, right, not just whether it's economical beneficial. Morals and ethics in a company cannot be separated from the values that shape the organization culture. A healthy organizational culture will create work environment that is honest, open, and responsible. These values will serve as the foundation in shaping employee behavior, the way the company makes decisions, and how the company builds relationship with stakeholders such as customers, business partners, the government, and the community. However, the implementation of social, culture, moral, and ethical responsibilities will not be effective if it's merely formalistic. This principle must truly become part of the soul and character of the company. There must be a genuine commitment from the top leadership down to all levels of the organization. Without the commitment, social responsibility and business ethics will only become empty slogans without real meaning. It's important to understand that companies that uphold social responsibility and ethics will not only gain the trust of the community but will also have a good reputation and a greater chance of long-term survival. Public trust is a very valuable asset and can only be obtained through concrete actions that reflect the company's integrity and social concern. In conclusion, we can see that the corporate social, culture, moral, and ethical responsibilities are not standalone matters but are interconnected and mutually reinforcing. In the perspective of good corporate governance, these four aspects become important pillars that support the sustainability and credibility of the company. As explained by Arif Effendi, building a good company is not just about pursuing profit, but also about how the company becomes a responsible part of the social and cultural life of the community. So that's the explain about social, cultural, morals, and ethical responsibilities of the company. That's all for this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you in the next video.